Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonam Prajapati. So friends, today I'm gonna teach you how can you create a smoke effect. Open your After Effects, right click here and new composition, then make it this setting and after that press then OK. So on your timeline, right click here, new, solid, make solid black and press then OK. Friends, after this search here, go to effect and presets, search here fractal noise, drag it on your solid and after that friends make noise type soft liner to spine. After that make contrast 180 or 200 something and brightness make -50. Okay, so then go to transfer and make it scale something 300. Okay, after that go to complexity, so let's do complexity 9. I think 8 is good. Okay friends, go to effects and drop it down and go to evolution and press alt button and then left mouse button, click here and write here time star 100. So let's play this. So this is smoothly playing. If you want to fast you can make value 100 to 300, so the animation will be fast of this smoke. Search here hue saturation and drag it on your black solid, then click on colorize. After that increase value here so the color will be changed. Suppose I want something, I want like this, so then okay, I'm going to make saturation and lightness little bit. Okay, so now it's fine. After that I import my project file so drag it here on the bottom of black solid, then make it screen. So friends, you can see this is the smoke effects. Hello friends, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video.